Alright, making this video, it's like a review of 10,000 plus miles of having the Supercharger on. I will try to answer many questions that people ask me on the comment section about the Supercharge, about any other modifications on the car, how it's running, all that stuff. So Supercharging, I put it in the car was have like 28,000 miles on it. Right now, car have 42,000 miles on it. So it's been like a plus 10,000 miles um, of me having the supercharge in the car. The car is running great. Um, Let me see what I can start with. It's many questions people ask me about what I have done after I put the supercharger on it and how it's running and everything. So, all right, let me start with the belt tensioner. The belt tensioner, I upgrade my belt tensioner with Dyco belt tensioner. It's right here. This is the part number right here. It was nothing wrong with the factory tensioner, but I was reading online and I was watching some videos people that they just upgrade the tensioners. So I just upgrade my tensioner just to be safe. Um, I didn't have. I mean, it's running great with that tensioner, so it's just an upgrade. You can. It's really cheap on AutoZone. You can find it in any AutoZone. Um, Anything else? Intake. I already have a video of the intake. So one major modification I made on the supercharge was the coolant system of the supercharge. The coolant system that comes with the supercharge is great for a street application, I would say. The temperatures are like I don't know, intake temps are like 140, 150 when you're on red light or heavy traffic, something like that, 155. Um, I contact Magnuson and they told me that is normal. But when you go to the track, that is what I do. I go to the track and I run the car at the track. It doesn't work that great. So when you're at the track with that cooling system that comes with the supercharge, there's a little tank that goes here. The car runs really hot, like 150s, 160s after you do a pass. That is definitely not good. When you go to another pass, the car is super hot and the car starts pulling timing when the intake temperatures are high. So what I did was I purchased a ice tank. These are the two lines of the cooling system for the supercharge. They go all the way back through the fender on the bottom of the car, rear wheel fender, and I put it on the trunk. It's this one here. It's PNR ice tank. This is the pump that they recommended to use for daily driving. There's a part number there. So they sell the entire setup. Only thing you gotta do is just run the hoses and all the way to the front. Very easy to set up. It fit really well in here. The only thing you gotta do is you wanna still using your trunk. You should have to trim this so when you put it down, it fits. I still having a little bit separation right here, but it works. It works good. So this ice tank is definitely a plus when you're having this supercharge and you want to go to the track and do some passes. It works really good. I would definitely recommend that if you take your car to the track for racing and stuff. Definitely, would you put ice in there? It cools down the entire system. The hoses they go all the way down to the fender. They connect to the radiator right there, and then go back to the. It's the same system. The only thing you gotta do is just swap the pump. You take out the pump that comes with the Supercharge, and run the pump on the back. And it's great. Just drain it. I have the drain set up on the bottom. You go to the track, you put ice on, and cool down the Supercharger super fast. And it's been running great for me. Before I put the ice tank, I was running high, like I don't know, I would say 12.9, 12.8, something like that. After I put the ice tank, the car is being great when I put the ice on. I mean, my best time is being like 12.0, so it does make a difference, definitely. I still pushing 6 pounds boost, stock motor. Let's see what else. That's one of the main things change I've been making on the Supercharge is the ice tank. It's one of the major change I made that it does make a difference. At the track, I run 17s Mickey Thompson. That right here. 17s Mickey Thompson and the skinnies. Before I run the skinnies, my best time was 12.2, I would say. 12.3, 12.2. After I put the skinnies, I hit my 12.0. So I don't know, it's the skinny that make the difference on the time. People say too many different things, but they run great. What else? For the street tires, I have needles. I just put it on. 275 40/20 with 20 by 9 wheels. On the back, 315s 35/20 with the 10.5 wheels on the back. Let's see what else. So, I have brown seats as well. So here, I had a set of brown seats. They're great. I love them. Super nice, super comfortable. A lot of people say they're not comfortable. To me, they work great, and they look amazing. I mean, those seats are 25 pounds each. This factory seats are like a 90 pounds, 80 pounds ish, which you have great weight saving there. Weight reduction if you go to the track and stuff. So pretty much that is everything I have done to the car after I put the Supercharge. Like I say, it's been 10,000 plus miles after I put the Supercharge, and this is my daily driving. So this car goes everywhere. So it's been running great. It's been running great, no issues at all. Let me see what else. If I skip any question you guys make on the comment section, just hit me out in the comment section again, and I will answer to you. A lot of people ask me what kind of power you pushing. I put the car on the dyno when I was doing the tuning. I don't have any video. The car was on the dyno. They did 3 rounds, maybe 2 passes. It was all over the place. There was just tuning. They were just tuning. I was sending back to my tuner, Hemi Fever. He made some change, and after that, I didn't put it on the dyno anymore. The car was making the passes that were like a 410, 430 something, and the high I think was 450 at the wheel. I don't follow those numbers because, like I say, it's dyno. So what I do is just every time that I make a modification, I just go to the track and I just do comparisons with the times. So I have some videos on my channel of track running at the track, so you can check it out. That's it pretty much. I mean, that is all I have on the car. I don't know if I have anything else that people ask me. If again, if I miss something, just guys hit me up and I will let you know. Let me see anything else that I can tell you. I have a 309 differential on the back. Of course, everybody put a 309 differential at this point. Anything else? Pretty much that's it. This one I'm running with the car so far. I mean, the major change I made was the ice tank. Ice tank make a difference. It does make a difference. If you planning to take the car to the track, put an ice tank on because that little cooling system that goes with the supercharge is really not do the job. It doesn't do the job for go to the track and stuff. For the street it's fine, but when you go to the track, I'm telling you, you'll be running pretty hard. So ice tank is the way to go. There is many ice tanks out there. Like you can put on different places and stuff like that. I just went for that one. Was very price was really good. And it was small. I think it's like a 5 gallon tank. Um, so I don't want to put too much weight when you put the ice on. It works good. It was really good. Let me show it again. It goes back here. So this is the returning line, and this is the sending line. This pump is really good. This is the pump they tell you to use. This is your daily driving. They have all the different pumps, but those pumps they say if you daily drive the car, they will not handle the constantly using the pump. So they tell you to use this pump. This pump you can find a replacement pump on Summit Racing. They sell the same pump, which I have one just in case this pump goes off or something. I just have the replacement right away. This is the draining right here. So this is the draining line that goes all the way back here, and I have this plastic cup in here. You just take it off. It's kind of like they have like a kind of glue in there. Just when you're doing the installation, just take it off. Work it out with a screwdriver or something, and I have kind of like a little clips on. I always take it off with a screwdriver. It pops up, and then this line I just twist it in there, open the line and drain it, and then I put the ice on it. Tank in here, run just a little bit of coolant and just distill water. That's it. It does make a difference, even on daily driving, like with the coolant system that was on the car before. I was running like a 140s, 150s on heavy traffic and stuff like that. My daily driving with this tank, just that grabs the coolant. I mean, it's more coolant coming through. It don't get hot that easy. My temps on heavy traffic and stuff they are down to 130, 129, 125. So it does make a difference. So that is some advice for you guys if you wanna run this supercharge and you wanna take it to the track. Definitely get an ice tank. It's a plus. Let me see what else. Pretty much that's it. I'm still running everything else that comes with the supercharge. This is how the simple, like I say, 6 pounds is what I'm pushing. The car is running great. No issues, no complaints at all. It's a great supercharge. I know a lot of people goes for all the kind of supercharge. I would definitely recommend Magnuson. It's great, at least for the 5.7, and it's a stock engine. It's nothing else done on the engine. Probably I've been thinking about different torque converter on the transmission. If you guys have any information that you can hit me on the comments. I still looking into it. I don't know what to do. I will figure out, see what people does. Like I say, I don't. I have no idea yet about what I can use. I know a lot of people change torque converters, and I have a tune transmission that comes with a hemifiber tune, but some people say that the torque converters make a difference when you change it. I have no idea what is the best application for this kind of supercharged engine I'm running. So if you guys know anything, give me any advice. I will appreciate that. Let me see what else. Pretty much that's it. That's it. That is all I have for you guys. Like I say, if I forget anything, just ask me and I will answer to you. All right. Thank you.